I thank first Rotary Club Visakhapatnam President Rotarian PH of Srikanth Garu and Rotarian Moda Ambika as me and project chairman as Suresh Garu.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is World Ozone Day और रोटरी क्लब ऑफ विशाखापट्टनम के द्वारा एक क्विज़ आयोजित किया गया था। मैं एक मेंबर हूँ इस रोटरी क्लब का, जो 75 साल से ज़्यादा उम्र का ये क्लब है और वी हैव बीन डूइंग ग्रेट सर्विस टू द सोसाइटी। और आज एक वेबिनार हुआ था ओजोन लेयर के प्रिवेंशन के ऊपर और उसमें बहुत सारी चीज़ें डिस्कस की हम लोगों ने। बच्चों के लिए क्विज़ भी किया गया था, बहुत ही अच्छा सेशन था। जब घर में बैठ के इस तरह के इवेंट्स हो रहे हैं तो आपको और क्या चाहिए। एंड जब आप सोसाइटी के लिए कुछ करते हो तो आपको बहुत ही अच्छा लगता है। एंड आई एम फीलिंग ग्रेट दैट आई एम अ पार्ट ऑफ रोटरी क्लब विशाखापट्टनम। आज बहुत ही अच्छा और गर्व महसूस कर रहा हूँ मैं, बिकॉज ऑफ दिस कोविड-19। जो आजकल जो इवेंट्स हो रहे हैं सारे वर्चुअल हो रहे हैं, तो हम लोगों ने भी ये इवेंट जो है वर्चुअली किया है। दिस वाज बेसिकली ऑन द प्रिजर्वेशन ऑफ ओजोन लेयर। पूरा सेशन था हम लोगों का आज रोटरी क्लब के द्वारा। वी फेल्ट वेरी गुड, बहुत ही अच्छा सेशन था। मुझे एक रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी दी गई थी आज टू बिकम द प्रोजेक्ट चेयरमैन और इस इवेंट को कंडक्ट करने के लिए। तो आई वुड लाइक टू थैंक मिस्टर प्रेसिडेंट मिस्टर श्रीकांत who has given me this opportunity and it was a successful event। और मैं सारे जितने भी पार्टिसिपेंट्स हैं उन सबको बधाई देना चाहूँगा। और वेबिनार का शुरुआत मिस्टर मधु बुर्रा जी ने किया है, जिन्होंने वेलकम स्पीच देते हुए इस इवेंट को स्टार्ट किया था।
It is very important on this day and steps to be taken to minimize ozone depletion before going to quiz. Let's all contribute to the protection of the environment and be a part of our everyday life in creating a sustainable earth. Thank you. I now welcome our President Rotary, Rotarian Srikanth, to give his address.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, Rotarian Madhu Garu.
Yeah.
And welcome, my dear friends. Today is a great
International Ozone Day. Our dear Rotarians, GSHP as well as SOS has come together. It's a very happy moment for me in person to see so many kids around us, and it's like 432. So that's like a real celebration with the kids. So I appreciate. What I'm going to speak is very basic. I would like you to understand what this ozone is and what is it doing. Let's try and understand that we have sun, we have earth where we live in. Now earth is actually protected by a layer of gas, what we call as ozone. It is nothing but 3 molecules of oxygen. Now this ozone has a very specific nature of filtering the UV radiations which is coming from the sun. At the center of the sun there is temperature of 6,500 to 13,000 degrees centigrade. At that point of time, there are a lot of emissions of UV radiations which reach the earth along with the light. While these radiations are not good for us, ozone acts like a protective layer around to filter these radiations. That is the main function ozone does to us.
उसके बाद 2 डिफरेंट वीडियोस दिखाए गए।
Morgan Sandercock is about to test an experimental plane perfect for sampling ozone.
We think we can go as high as 90,000 feet.
Jim, you ready to go? I'm ready.
That's the big boy territory. That's where things can go wrong very quickly. If we lose cabin pressure, then the pilots could very easily pass out. And we don't have any automatic systems to recover from that.
Getting ready to roll.
Now, a glider might sound like a dangerous choice so high up, but gliders don't have engines, which means they can't pollute the team's samples.
Confirm tail belly off.
Tail dolly is off. Wing wheel is off.
We're rolling at 11:32. 11:32. Down GPS 5.
The Pearland glider uses air rising over the southern Andes to reach extraordinary heights.
Airspeed 70 knots. Looking beautiful. And very high.
Traffic.
Yeah.
$52,000 feet up makes this the highest glider flight ever. But you've got to get this high to get a great picture of the ozone layer. The good news is that thanks to a global ban on ozone-harming chemicals, it looks like the hole is healing up. Our shield is regenerating.
छोटा सा मैसेज था वर्ल्ड ओजोन डे के ऊपर बाय इंगर एंडरसन. Please have a look.
Celebrates 35 years of the Vienna Convention for the Protection of the Ozone Layer. This convention and its Montreal Protocol united the world to cut out the gases, creating a hole in the planet's ozone layer, critical in shielding us against deadly UV radiation. This model of international cooperation has put the ozone layer on the road to recovery, protecting human and ecosystem health. Such cooperation demonstrates that when people work together, they can fix problems on a global scale. We need this unity of purpose more than ever as we seek to address nature loss, climate change, and pollution in the wake of the COVID-19 pandemic and the discussions on the replenishment of the multilateral fund. The ozone treaties have a major role to play in this work, particularly through the Kigali Amendment to the Montreal Protocol. As we know, the Kigali Amendment has now been ratified by 100 parties and if fully implemented will prevent 0.4 degrees centigrade of global warming. I congratulate all involved in the ozone treaties for the 35 years of success and I wish them many more to come.
आज की एक और खासियत है कि आज we have launched YouTube channel of Rotary Club विशाखापट्टनम, जो हमारे बहुत ही प्यारे रोटेरियन कृष्ण कुमार जी ने उसका इनॉग्रेशन किया था.
President Srikant,
Yes.
fellow Rotarians and friends from various other organizations, it gives me great pleasure today to inaugurate our very own Rotary YouTube channel. For those who are not able to log into our Zoom meetings and those who miss our regular meetings, you can now at your leisure log onto the YouTube and listen to the interesting speeches and what all you missed, so that next time you can always come and log in. I'm very happy to inaugurate this. I will do this. I'll try my best to do it now.
इस क्विज कंपटीशन में करीब 420 प्लस बच्चे जुड़ चुके हैं, तो उनके लिए एक छोटा सा मैसेज है ओजोन डे के ऊपर बाय मिस्टर के चांद.
And also the Institute Rotary Club of Visakhapatnam, and then Visakhapatnam chapter, GSHP and SOS institutes who are conducting this digital quiz jointly. I'm really glad to give a message to the children who are there. Almost 426 participants I'm seeing. Even if we look at our members and other people, maybe 400 above is really, we have to give a big applause for such a turn up for the quiz. I'm really delighted. Thank you very much for giving me this opportunity. I would like to give a very brief and very quick message within 3 minutes, as I have been given 3 minutes. First of all, those what all have been covered, I would not like to take them, but the other things which are not covered, which are very surprising for the children, I want to say. First of all, ozone totally in the atmosphere comprises of 3 billion metric tons, which means 1 billion is 100 crores, so 300 crore metric tons of ozone is there. Huge, don't you think so, children? That much of ozone is there in the atmosphere. In the stratosphere, basically the atmosphere where ozone is available is in stratosphere, which is mainly concentrated by 90%, more than 90%, at a height of 32 kilometers above the Earth. So when I say 300 crores of metric tons of ozone, but if you see in the total atmosphere, it is only 0.000006%, which means very minuscule. But then this ozone, whatever is available in the atmosphere, is very important for the existence of not only human beings but also other living beings, because this ozone layer is protecting our Earth from unwanted ultraviolet rays which can reach to the Earth. Thereby it can increase the temperature of the Earth. Thereby climate change will happen. Besides that, there are many other effects which can cause ill health for the people. That is why ozone layer is very important. We have to protect the ozone layer by whichever manner. Similarly, you have to do more number of plants. We have to do, plant trees so that it will reduce the pollution, it will reduce climate change, it will reduce global warming. And there is also another thing called as 4R policy, which is refuse, reduce, reuse, and recycle things. This is like a mantra, 4R policy, by reuse, reduce, refuse, and recycle things at homes, offices, and schools. Similarly, one thing which is making atmosphere more hotter, or the global warming, is taking place because of the inefficient energy devices which are creating more temperature. So energy efficient devices, please use for gadgets or for electrical power generation or for all the other devices. Thereby, as less as you are using energy, the depletion of the minerals and minerals as well as metals or the resources will reduce temperature rise. So this is very, very important. So with that, I can say that also for the fire extinguishers which are using CFC, that is to be discouraged. So prevention by these things can make our ozone layer protected and keep ourselves safe.
In this particular quiz, children, there are 2 steps. Now the quiz master will address you about the rules, regulations, and everything. And then I'll be sharing a dummy quiz in the chat of the Zoom. Just try it, it's only 1 minute only. Whether you right or wrong, nothing, it doesn't matter, something dummy. Then I'll be sharing the main link and I'll be telling you the timeline, how and everything as per the instructions of our quiz master. So I request Rotary Madhubara Garu to please introduce our quiz master.
Presently working as a professor of civil engineering at the Gayatri Engineering College, one of the famous colleges in Vizag. Apart from teaching, he does consulting and is involved in mentoring students. He is a life member of various professional bodies. He published his works in referred journals and conferences. He is also regularly reviews articles for various index journals. Recently, his doctoral student received the PhD degree from the National Institute of Technology, Warangal. In fact, his entire family has been learning Carnatic music for some time now. He knows how to speak, read, write in Telugu, Hindi, English, and completed certificate courses in French and German. He lives in Vizag with his wife Vasanta and children Alekia and Abhiram. With this, I introduce Dr. Manchakanti Srinivas, our quiz master.
I'll just very quickly, tell you what the rules kind. They're not many rules kind of things. The point is there'll be three stage kind of a quiz. The first set will be based on importance of ozone layer. Okay. Then the next set will be talking about water crisis, the problems of water shortage and the other related news about water. And lastly, we will discuss about the questions which will be based on environmental change, climate change, environmental issues, and environmentalists. So these are three broad areas
under which the quiz has been framed. So don't worry, be very cool and be relaxed. The quiz will be very easy. It will be kind of cakewalk for you. I just want you to just enjoy the quiz.
And dear children, you can always
Hey Hasini, are you ready?
the YouTube and you can find out. Can they refer any knowledge bank or anything for any answers?
Well, Srikant Garu, well, I mean, I think that is not allowed. I mean, that's not allowed, Srikant Garu.
డెమో క్విజ్ అవుతుందా? నర్వస్ కాదు కదా? నవ్వట్లేదు. శ్రీకాంత్ గారు, ఐ హ్యావ్ అ క్వశ్చన్.
అయ్యో సార్,
సార్ ఇప్పుడు టెస్ట్ అయిపోయిన తర్వాత నుంచి నాకు తెలిసి ఐ విల్ గెట్ అరౌండ్ 40 to 50 కాల్స్ డెఫినెట్గా, మెసేజ్లు కానీ అన్నీ. సో ఐ నీడ్ టు ఆన్సర్ దెమ్. I need a small briefing. What, when, and how?
Yeah. Keep the map. I think for you also the problem may come.
Ambika madam, me kuda because earlier in business what we have done is we are having a channel of WhatsApp and Telegram.
అవునండి, yes.
Information. Here it is not there. The children out of curiosity they will certainly come. So tell them after Madhu sir has said 3 days. Let Madhu sir and Kirti ma'am tell sir how many days you will take to announce the winners.
I think it will take around 3 days, sir. It is good to.
Yeah, 3 days, right? So today is Tuesday. So Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So probably
by a quiz program by International Day for the Preservation of the Ozone Layer, 35 years. It's not a joke, sir. From many years they are doing. It's a wonderful teamwork by ISRE, GSHP, and SOS. Yes, SOS.
And Rotary.
Sir, Rotary Club Visakhapatnam. So I thank first Rotary Club Visakhapatnam President Rotarian PH of Srikant Garu and Rotarian Madambika as me and Project Chairman as Suresh Garu and ISRE President PV Raghupati Garu, Secretary PNV Vidyasagar Garu, K12 Chair SPV Rangachari Garu and GSHP President Dr. Kamal Garu and Secretary Dr. Krupa Swami Garu and SCI Chair Kirti Mom.
ये एक वर्चुअल इवेंट है जो रोटरी क्लब के द्वारा आयोजित किया गया है. सो इवेंट के पीछे बहुत सारे लोगों का हाथ होता है. प्रेसिडेंट वाज देयर, सेक्रेटरी वाज देयर, माई सेल्फ, और भी बहुत सारे लोग जुड़े हुए थे इस इवेंट को ऑर्गेनाइज करने के लिए. और इवेंट बहुत ही सक्सेसफुल रहा. बहुत सारे बच्चों ने, 400+ बच्चों ने इस क्विज़ कंपटीशन में भाग लिया और आई एम वेरी हैप्पी. गाइस, अगर ये जो इवेंट आज हम लोगों ने किया है और ये कोरोना काल नहीं होता तो इट वुड हैव बीन अ बिग इवेंट, फिज़िकल इवेंट. और क्योंकि ये कोरोना काल चल रहा है सो हम कुछ नहीं कर सकते हैं. सो वी हैव डन दिस वर्चुअल इवेंट और इट वाज अ वेरी सक्सेसफुल. और आई वुड लाइक टू थैंक ईच एंड एवरी पर्सन who have been the part of this.